Hey, happy Friday. Hey, this is a did you know Schoology thing because I did not know. So I actually can see a student view from here. I'm going to choose a student basically that took their third quarter grade so you can see how the assignments line up. And uh, you know what? I had issues for here, like I had I had students talk to me like I had no idea what was being assigned. I had no idea what was being assigned, and man, I thought you guys all got this upcoming thing and reminders and stuff like that. And when I started getting those emails, and that was probably in our third week, I decided to try to use PowerSchool to do it, where I just put zeros in for the week so you could see it show up on PowerSchool, but honestly, I think it just backfired. So what I want to show you is something. So I'm going to go in and I can view course as, and I'm going to do, I shouldn't show you this, but I'm going to do it anyways. Jaden talked to me early and he said, I just am going to take my third quarter grade. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to take, where it is, right there. Jaden, if you're offended by this, please send me an email and I will give you extra credit. Okay, so I'm going to show it from Jaden's perspective, okay? Now, I can go down to grades, okay? If I am like, oh, I have to go to every folder to find every assignment, okay? Now, I was just doing what I was told. Every day, 15-minute activity, which you guys had block schedules, so 2 days, you had 30 minutes each, I guess, course, or of the 3 or 4 classes you had. So I'm going to go down to grades, and this is where it lists it, okay? As far as every task that we've done, and I tried to put dates on there, but honestly, it just kind of didn't work out 100% that way. So just taking a look down here as far as grades that have been entered, how many points things are worth, worksheets, etc. Now this is all in the formative sections. This is 20% of your grade. And I get, like, I've argued why isn't that more, but it isn't. So I've got some extra credit here. Optimum launch angle, I just haven't graded that yet, haven't graded that yet. And then we get into summative. This is the big stuff, okay? So you can see a friction assessment, a circular motion quiz, and then predicting a unique landing zone. That's all extra credit in the test zone. So anyways, Jaden hasn't done anything for the fourth quarter, so guess what? 8%, okay? So if I were someone else, right, go back to course. Course options. Let's see if this will do this. Course options, view course as. Members. Let's see what we can get here. We'll go to Joe. Maybe? Oops. Okay, never mind. Well, that gradebook tab is a great way to see what assignments that you haven't turned in yet, and hopefully that'll allow you to get that nice little A, right? Because most of it's just participation and completion. So I'm going to just take a look at that. Hopefully that will help, and email me if you have questions.